Hi, in this video I will show you how to knit a two-color heel. The heel is part of my heart socks pattern and it is knitted over 1/2 of the stitches. I have 64 stitches in total, so I'm knitting the heel over 32 stitches. The beginning of the round will be at the center back of the heel, so first I take my main color and knit 16 stitches. The 32 stitches that are now on this needle are my heel stitches. We divide these heel stitches into 3 sections, so divide your number of heel stitches by 3, and if there are 1 or 2 stitches left, add them to the middle section. This way I get 3 sections of 10, 12 and 10 stitches. Now turn and make a double stitch by slipping the stitch purlwise and pulling on the yarn until the stitch is doubled. Purl the rest of the needle. Turn and make another double stitch. This time slip the stitch knitwise and pull on the yarn until the stitch is doubled. Knit until you get to the last double stitch and turn. Make a double stitch and purl until you get to the last double stitch. Repeat the last 2 rows until the stitches of the first and third section are double stitches and the stitches of the second section are knit stitches. I now make the last double stitch, which is the last stitch of the first section, and knit back to the beginning of the round. Next, we knit 2 rounds of knit stitches. Knit the double stitches of the third section as normal knit stitches. Knit the double stitches of the first section through the back loops. After these 2 rounds, break the yarn and start using the second color. Knit until you get to the second marker. Knit 1 more stitch and turn. Make a double stitch and purl until you get to the first marker. Purl 1 more stitch and turn. Make a double stitch and knit until you get to the last double stitch. Knit the double stitch, knit 1 more stitch and turn. Make a double stitch and purl until you get to the last double stitch. Purl the double stitch through the back loop, purl one more stitch and turn. Repeat the last 2 rows until the first and last stitch of your heel stitches are double stitches and the stitches in between are knit stitches. In the last row, make the last double stitch and knit back to the beginning of the round. To finish the heel, knit 1 full round of knit stitches where you knit the second double stitch through the back loop. If you want to know how to knit the rest of this sock, you can find the link to the pattern in the video description below. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.